Question 1. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 1. Hard work was created for everyone. And a heavy, what burden is laid on the children of Adam? A. Wisdom. B. Wealth. C. A heavy yoke. D. Immortality. Answer: C. A heavy yoke. Question 2. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 2. Perplexities and fear of heart are theirs. What constant fear do humans face? According to this verse: A. Fear of poverty. B. Fear of the unknown. C. Fear of death. Fear of sin. Answer: C. Fear of death. Question 3. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 3. From the one who sits on a splendid throne. What do the rich and poor have in common? According to this verse: A. Wealth. B. Wisdom. C. Fear of death. D. Joy. Answer: C. Fear of death. Question 4. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 5. There is anger and envy and trouble and unrest. What accompanies anger and envy? According to this verse: A. Love. B. Peace. C. Strife and fury. D. Forgiveness. Answer: C. Strife and fury. Question 5. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 6. He gets little or no rest. What disturbs the sleep of the one who struggles by day? A. Visions of his mind. B. Dreams of wealth. C. His family. D. Anxiety. Answer: A. Visions of his mind. Question 6. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 7. At the moment he reaches safety he wakes up. How does the person feel after waking up from their troubling visions? A. Grateful. B. Astonished. C. Angry. D. Answer: B. Astonished. Question 7. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 8. To all creatures, human and animal, who suffers calamities, bloodshed, and famine according to this verse: A. The righteous. B. The wise. C. The sinners, the weak. Answer: C. The sinners. Question 8. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 9. Come death and bloodshed and strife and sword. What was created for the wicked? A. Peace. B. Prosperity. C. Death and calamities. D. Eternal life. Answer: C. Death and calamities. Question 9. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 12. All bribery and injustice will be blotted out. What will last forever? According to this verse: A. Wealth. B. Bribery. C. Good faith. D. Fame. Answer: C. Good faith. Question 10. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 15. The children of the ungodly put out few branches. What metaphor describes the children of Cain? Ungodly. A. Tall trees. B. Unhealthy roots. C. Deep wells, strong vines. Answer B. Unhealthy roots. Question 11. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 16. The reeds by any water or river bank. What happens to the reeds by the river bank? A. They grow strong. B. They are plucked up. C. They multiply. D. They turn. Answer B. They are plucked up. Question 12. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 17. But kindness is like a garden of blessings. What endures forever? A. Wealth. B. Kindness. C. Almsgiving. D. Wisdom. Answer C. Almsgiving. Question 13. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 19. Children and the building of a city established one's name. Which is better than either? According to this verse, A. Finding wisdom. B. Building wealth. C. Being famous, having strength. Answer A. Finding wisdom. Question 14. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 20. Wine and music gladden the heart. Which is better than wine and music? A. Wealth. B. Power. C. The love of friends. D. Wisdom. Answer C. The love of friends. Question 15. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 21. The flute and the harp make sweet melody. Which is better than either the flute or the harp? A. Wisdom. B. A pleasant voice. C. A loyal friend. D. Wealth. Answer B. A pleasant voice. Question 16. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 22. The eye desires grace and beauty. Which is desired more than grace and beauty? A. Wealth. B. Green shoots of grain. C. Wisdom. D. Power. Answer B. Green shoots of grain. Question 17. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 23. A friend or companion is always welcome. Which is better than either a friend or companion? A. Wisdom. B. Strength. C. A sensible wife. D. Wealth. Answer C. A sensible wife. Question 18. Sirach. Chapter 40, verse 24. Kindred and helpers are for a time of trouble. What rescues better than kindred or helpers? A. Almsgiving. B. Wealth. C. Power. D. fame. Answer A. Almsgiving. Question 19. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 25. Gold and silver make one stand firm. Which is esteemed more than gold and silver? A. Power. B. Wisdom. C. Good counsel. D. Fame. Answer C. Good counsel. Question 20. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 26. Riches and strength build up confidence. Which is better than either riches or strength? A. Fear of the Lord. B. Power. C. Wealth. D. Fame. Answer A. Fear of the Lord. Question 21. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 27. The fear of the Lord is like a garden of blessing. What does the fear of the Lord cover? Better than A. Power. B. Glory. C. Wealth. D. Fame. Answer B. Glory. Question 22. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 28. My child, do not lead the life of a beggar. What is better than begging? According to this verse, A. Wealth. B. Fame. C. To die. D. To live. Answer C. To die. Question 23. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 29. When one looks to the table of another, what happens when one looks to the table of another? A. Gains wealth. B. Loses self-respect. C. Learns patience. D. Confidence. Answer B. Loses self-respect. Question 24. Siraj, chapter 40, verse 30. In the mouth of the shameless begging is sweet. What does begging kindle in the shameless person? A. Anger. B. Happiness. C. A fire inside him. D. Answer C. A fire inside him. Question 25. Siraj chapter 40, verse 1. Hard work was created for everyone. And a heavy ___ was laid on the children of Adam. A. Burden. B. Yoke. C. Responsibility, crown. Answer B. Yoke. Question 26. Siraj chapter 40, verse 2. Perplexities and fear of heart are theirs. And anxious thought of the day of their ______. A. Birth. B. Marriage. C. Death. D. Answer C. Death. Question 27. Siraj chapter 40, verse 3. From the one who sits on a splendid throne to the one who grovels in _____ in ashes. A. Dust. B. Sand. C. Cloth. D. Silk. Answer A. Dust. Question 28. Siraj chapter 40, verse 4. From the one who wears purple and a crown to the one who is clothed in underscore 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 underscore. A. Linen. B. Burlap. C. Cotton. D. Wool. Answer B. Burlap. Question 29. Siraj chapter 40, verse 5. There is anger and envy and trouble and unrest, and fear of underscore 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 underscore, and fury and strife. A. Life. B. Others. C. Death. D. Answer C. Death. Question 30. Siraj chapter 40, verse 6. He is troubled by the visions of his underscore 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 like one who has escaped from the battlefield. A. Family. B. Mind. C. Friends. D. Enemy. Answer B. Mind. Question 31. Siraj chapter 40, verse 7. At the moment he reaches safety he wakes up, astonished that his underscore 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 were groundless. A. Dreams. B. Friends. C. Enemies. D. Answer D. Fears. Question 32. Siraj chapter 40, verse 10. All these were created for the underscore 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 underscore, and on their account the flood came. A. Righteous. B. Wicked. C. Poor. D. Wise. Answer B. Wicked. Question 33. Siraj chapter 40, verse 11. All that is of earth returns to underscore 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 underscore, and what is from above returns above. A. Dust. B. The sea. C. The earth. D. Heaven. Answer C. The earth. Question 34. Siraj chapter 40, verse 12. All bribery and underscore 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 will be blotted out, but good faith will last forever. A. Injustice. B. Wealth. C. Wisdom. D. Gift. Answer A. Injustice. Question 35. Siraj chapter 40, verse 13. The wealth of the unjust will dry up like a underscore 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 underscore. A. Stone. B. Tree. C. River. D. Stream. Answer C. River. Question 36. Siraj chapter 40, verse 14. As a generous person has cause to rejoice, so underscore 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 will utterly fail. A. Sinners. B. Lawbreakers. C. Givers. D. Answer B. Lawbreakers. Question 37. Siraj chapter 40, verse 15. The children of the ungodly put out few ______. They are unhealthy roots on sheer rock. A. Branches. B. Leaves. C. Flowers, fruits. Answer A. Branches. Question 38. Siraj chapter 40, verse 16. The reeds by any water or river bank are _____ before any grass. A. Pulled up. B. Burned. C. Plucked up. D. Rooted out. Answer C. Plucked up. Question 39. Siraj chapter 40, verse 17. But kindness is like a garden of ______, and almsgiving endures forever. A. Flowers. B. Blessings. C. Fruit. D. Gift. Answer B. Blessings. Question 40. Siraj chapter 40, verse 18. Wealth and wages make life ______, but better than either is finding a treasure. A. Sweet. B. Difficult. C. Fair. D. Just. Answer A. Sweet. Question 41. Siraj chapter 40, verse 19. Children in the building of a _____ establish one's name. But better than either is the one who finds wisdom. A. Farm. B. City. C. Church. Business. Answer B. City. Question 42. Siraj chapter 40, verse 20. Wine and music gladden the heart, but the _____ of friends is better than either. A. Joy. B. Loyalty. C. Love. D. Patience. Answer C. Love. Question 43. Siraj chapter 40, verse 21. The flute and the harp make sweet melody, but a pleasant _____ is better than either. A. Sound. B. Voice. C. Song. D. Answer B. Voice. Question 44. Siraj chapter 40, verse 22. The eye desires grace and beauty, but the _____ of grain more than either. A. Harvest. B. Green shoots. C. Seeds. D. Answer B. Green shoots. Question 45. Siraj chapter 40, verse 23. A friend or companion is always welcome, but underscore 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 wife is better than either. A. Wealthy. B. Beautiful. C. Sensible. D. Answer C. Sensible. Question 46. Sirach chapter 40, verse 24. Kindred and helpers are for a time of trouble, but underscore 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 rescues better than either. A. Wisdom. B. Love. C. Almsgiving. D. Answer C. Almsgiving. Question 47. Sirach chapter 40, verse 25. Gold and silver make one stand firm, but underscore 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 is esteemed more than either. A. Love. B. Good counsel. C. Wisdom. D. Answer B. Good counsel. Question 48. Sirach chapter 40, verse 26. Riches and strength build up confidence, but the underscore 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 of the Lord is better than either. A. Love. B. Patience. C. Fear. D. Answer C. Fear. Question 49. Sirach chapter 40, verse 27. The fear of the Lord is like a garden of underscore 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 underscore, and covers a person better than any glory. A. Wealth. B. Flowers. C. Blessings. Joy. Answer C. Blessings. Question 50. Sirach chapter 40, verse 28. My child, do not lead the life of underscore 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 underscore. It is better to die than to beg. A. Wanderer. B. Ruler. C. Beggar. D. Servant. Answer C. Beggar. Question 51. Sirach chapter 40, verse 29. When one looks to the underscore 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 of another, one's way of life cannot be considered a life. A. Wisdom. B. Table. C. Home. D. Answer B. Table. Question 52. Sirach chapter 40, verse 30. In the mouth of the shameless begging is underscore 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 underscore, but it kindles a fire inside him. A. Bitter. B. Sweet. C. Hot. D. Difficult. Answer B. Sweet.